Hello! Discord is giving away free 1-month Nitro. But before we get to that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Alright, so how do you get your hands on this free month? Here's the good news, the offer is valid until July 1st, 2024, so you have some time. But there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure you read the details carefully. There are some eligibility requirements, like not having had a Nitro membership in the past year. Once you've claimed the offer, you'll need to redeem it on your Discord account by July 16th. Make sure you're logged into the correct Discord account. You don't want to accidentally redeem it on the wrong one. Follow the steps on the claim page. It's pretty straightforward. Remember, after your free month ends, your Nitro subscription will automatically become a paid monthly plan. So, be sure to cancel it before then if you don't want to be charged. That's it. With these steps, you should be enjoying a month of Discord Nitro in no time. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know if you were able to snag your free month. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.